Literally, all you need to make this is 1 potato and some butter. This is just a simple potato pancake known as a rosti to the Swiss. It only costs a potato's worth of dollars to make, and it's super fun. Begin by grating a clean, starchy potato. You can just leave the skin out, it adds flavor and texture. Now transfer your potatoes to a clean, thin kitchen towel or tea cloth and squeeze them boys until all the water comes out, or at least a lot of it. Season up with some salt and pepper. And at this point you can put in whatever you want. So I like to always season it with salt, pepper, but then think like cheese, vegetables, onions, which is a vegetable, different like meats like salami or chorizo, human hair, really whatever you want. Now coat the bottom of a small nonstick pan with some olive oil. Pop in your potatoes and smooth them out with the back of your spoon. Slice off a few knobs of butter and strategically drop them into the corners of the roasty. This will kind of sink into your roasty and help feed it. After a few minutes, use a dinner plate to help flip the roasty over on its other side, add more butter, and wait until crispy again. From here, you can face this thing as is or add like olives, herbs, cheese, whatever you want. I had some basil pesto and parmesan in the fridge, so yeah. And this thing just used to be a potato.